Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're trying to get you ready for the weekend. Let's do this. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today, as I said, we're just trying to get you ready for the weekend, give you an opportunity to flex between watch faces. This one is nice. The name of the watch face is called T-Race. Now, T-Race in the always on mode, it's just going to be dimmed down. You're going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. But once it's on, if you look around the bezel of the watch, you got some shortcuts to get into. You got a stopwatch, alarm. You can go and check your battery life, go into your S Health, your altimeter. Also, you can set a timer. So if you're going to be running, you're going to be exercising, this might be the watch face for you. So you get the best of both worlds with that one, as well as analog and digital. I'm liking the look. I like the fact that you get analog at the top and you get your digital time and battery info as well. You get your day, your date. You get everything you could possibly want to see in a watch face. Now, also what you can do, you got a few themes you can change to. This is one, got this one, and you got this one. Now, that one I think looks very nice, very rich. So you can flex in color and style. This is definitely an awesome watch face. All right, you all, check this one out in the Gear Manager store. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if this is a download or leave it. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today, listen, I thought I'd bring you something with a little bit more fun to it. Something you can wear every day or something you can wear super casual. Now, the name of this watch face is called New Frontier Blue Combo. It's not a bad look at all. In always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode. Now, when the watch face is on, you get your day, your date, you get a moon phase up at the top. You come over, you get 3 dials. The one to the left is going to give you info on your floor's climb. As you can see, I'm still at 0 somehow, right? And then you get your steps on the other side, and down at the bottom, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, it is not an interactive watch face, but considering that it's free, a fun watch face, an everyday watch face, this is not bad for the price. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, listen, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.